Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at another paver sealing here this morning. Let me walk around and show you what we got. So we have a newer development here. We got these paver driveway, walkway, and porch. Just getting everything set up here. We have a couple of rust spots, as you can see on some of these bricks. There's about 5 or 6 of them. So it doesn't look like our rust remover is really touching most of them. So what we're going to do, they have a mat that they always keep at the front door. So they asked us to pull a couple of them out of here and replace them out there. They don't have any extra bricks. So then we got this little walkway out here. All right, so we're getting all set up, getting ready to do our 1, 2, 3 cleaning process, and we'll be all set here for today. So let's get moving. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here for today. We did our 3-step cleaning process. We'll let this dry up overnight, and then we'll be back in the morning to sand and seal. Yeah. The big difference already. It was a lot dirtier than it looked like. All right, we'll see you back here in the morning. Okay, so we're back here this morning, paver sealing driveway, and everything's dried up. We already got the sand down. We put fieldstone down on this one. So we'll just blow this off one more time. We're getting everything set up. We're getting ready to put down some Cat 5. Yep, that's what it looks like now. Joints are all getting there. We got one more blow off to do. Looks so much better. A little bit of moisture on a couple of the bricks. That won't affect anything on the front. All right, so we're getting ready to mix up some Cat 5 now and make this beautiful transformation on this driveway. All right. Okay, so we're all done here. We got 2 coats of the Hurricane Cat 5 and the fieldstone sand, and these pavers just look phenomenal. Sand is perfect on them. A beautiful sheen, a little bit of sparkle to them. Very nice. All right, well, this is Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. If these are the kind of results you're looking for in your driveways, sidewalk, patios, pool decks, give us a call. You can reach us at 813-853-3557 or online at our website, www.supremetapabay.com. All right, we'll see you at the next job.